Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to the next lecture of English. Yesterday we have started with the lesson the luncheon. First part we have finished yesterday. Let's have a quick recap and then we will move. See, the luncheon means a formal lunch. It's a real story, not real story. It's a personal experience of writer William Somerset, where he was invited by one of his fan at the very rich restaurant, that is Foyot's restaurant. Okay, she was very well ready for the lunch date or luncheon. Formal lunch के लिए वो बहुत अच्छी ready थी. She was showing over attitude, but he was not convinced, and he did not get attracted towards the female. Okay, when she arrived, she said she will not have anything in the restaurant, but later on she started demanding the things. What she demanded? In the beginning, she said she will not have anything, but yes, only one fish, that is salmon. Then later on, she demanded for the caviar. Dekho, this is caviar, this is salmon. She had that. Now, what happens next? See. Okay, she ordered salmon, she ordered caviar, which were very, very expensive, and you all know that how Poet was managing that. Okay, I knew I could not afford caviar, but I could not very well tell her that. For myself, I chose the cheapest dish on the menu, and that was a mutton chop. Okay, but हम गेस्ट को ना तो नहीं कर सकते. Then he selected a very cheapest dish, मतलब सबसे सस्ती dish, which was that mutton chop. Okay, I think you are unwise. See what she's saying. I think you are unwise to eat meat, she said. I don't believe in overloading my stomach. Okay, this advice she is giving to the writer. She ate the caviar and she ate the salmon. She talked gaily of art and literature and music. Obviously, she had a luncheon, मतलब एक formal meet थी, तो she was one of the biggest fan of this his writings. So she was discussing about his writings, and she was having salmon, she was having caviar, and she was enjoying the luncheon. But I wonder what the bill would come to. When my mutton chop arrived, she took me quite seriously to the task. लेकिन पोएट का ध्यान था क्या उधर? नहीं, उसका ध्यान यही था कि पता नहीं पैसे सफिशिएंट होंगे भी या नहीं. He was worried for the bill. I see. You are in the habit of eating heavy luncheon. When mutton chops arrived, she said like that. मतलब तुम इतना heavy खाना खाते हो? I'm sure it's a mistake. Why don't you follow my example and just eat one thing? Do you think she is eating one thing at the time? Already she had two things, and in front of the writer she is saying, why don't he follow her example of eating one thing? तुम मेरे जैसा क्यों नहीं खाते बोल रही हो उसको, जबकि हमने देखा है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा खा रही है. I couldn't possibly eat anything more unless they had some of those giant asparagus. Now she is demanding again one more thing, that is giant asparagus. I should be sorry to leave Paris without having some of them. Asparagus is one of the, this is asparagus, one of the giant, it's like stick. हमारे ड्रम स्टिक कैसे होते हैं? It's similar to drum stick, one of the very expensive vegetable. We don't eat in India mostly. I have to not seen in the market. But yes, in the foreign country, it is very famous. So she was demanded for this. First she had salmon, caviar, and now she is asking for the asparagus. And apart from this, she is telling the poet to follow her example instead of eating mutton chop. समझा? खुद इतना खा रही है और पोएट को कह रही है कि आपने कम खाना चाहिए. Okay, my heart sank. I had seen them in the shop and I knew that they were horribly expensive. My mouth had often watered at the sight of them. When she demanded for the asparagus, the poet was in a shock because according to the poet, it was very expensive. Okay, I am not in the least hungry. My guest sighed, but if you insist, I don't mind having some asparagus. I ordered them. She said, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा भूखी नहीं हुई हूँ, मुझे इतनी भूख नहीं है. But still, if you will ask me for the asparagus, if you will insist me, sure I'll have few. थोड़े से asparagus मैं खा सकती हूँ. I ordered them. Writer ordered them for her. Aren't you going to have any? क्या आप भी कुछ खाओगे? No, I never eat asparagus. Who is saying this? Poet. He was also fond of asparagus, but yes, just because of low budget, he said this to the guest. ठीक है. Next page. We waited for the asparagus to be cooked. It takes time for cooking, right? We waited for the asparagus to be cooked. Panic seized me. Panic seized me मतलब seized grab. घबराहट, डर से मैं परेशान हो रहा था. Why he was panic? Obviously because of the low budget. Okay, it was not a question now of how much money I should have left over for the rest of the month, but whether I had enough to pay the bill. Before he had a calculation that he will save some money for the which will last him for the month, but now the another question arrive, will he be able to pay the bill. पहले तो बच रहे थे पैसे, लेकिन अभी तो क्वेश्चन ये था कि क्या ये पे कर पाएगा बिल. He was so worried. I had enough to pay the bill. It would be mortifying to find myself 10 francs short and be obliged to borrow from my guest. अगर कम पड़े तो उनसे मांगना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I knew exactly how much I had, and if the bill came to more, I made up my mind that I would put my hand in my pocket and with a dramatic cry start up and say it had been picked. Of course, it would be awkward if she had not money enough either to pay the bill. Then the only thing would be to leave my watch and say I would come back and pay later. See, all such thoughts were just roaming in his mind that I will, what I should do. अगर पैसे कम पड़ गए तो it will very bad to ask the guest, है ना, पैसे मांगना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, तो मैं एक्टिंग करूँगा कि मेरा पर्स चोरी हो गया है. And then obviously my guest will pay the amount. If she will also not have that much of money, then finally I will keep my watch there and I will tell them that I will come back and pay my money and I'll take my watch back. ऐसा सारी प्लानिंग वो उसके दिमाग में चल रही है. कब तक? Till the asparagus went for cooking. Okay, all such thoughts were just roaming in his mind. The asparagus appeared and finally अभी वो asparagus की डिश भी आ गई. I watched her thrust them down her throat in large mouthful. At last she finished. See, he is angry now on that female and he is saying कि वो ठूस रही थी अपने अंदर. Thrust means she was putting all the asparagus in her mouth. Mouthful मतलब पूरा मुंह भर के वो खा रही थी जल्दी जल्दी और finally उसने सारा खा लिया. Okay, that means how foodie she is according to the writer. Coffee, I said. Yes, just an ice cream and coffee, she answered. See, so foodie she is. कितना खा रही है ये वो? He just asked like this only, will you have coffee? Then she said yes, coffee and ice cream. She demanded for ice cream also and coffee also. Okay. Then he ordered coffee and ice cream for her. Just an ice cream and coffee, she answered. I was past caring now, so I ordered coffee for myself and an ice cream and coffee for her. ठीक है, अभी वो ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं ले रहा था कि कितना बिल आता है क्या. लेट इट बी. एंड नाउ फाइनली ही ordered coffee for himself also and coffee and ice cream for the guest. You know, there's one thing I thoroughly believe in, she said. अभी क्या बोल रही है वो? As she ate the ice cream, one should always get up from a meal feeling one could eat a little more. Means you should have that much of space in your stomach that after complete lunch also you could have something. पूरा खाना होने के बाद भी तुम्हारे पेट में इतनी जगह होनी चाहिए कि आप कुछ और खा सकते हो. Like this she is saying after eating so much. Are you still hungry? I asked faintly. Faintly means lightly, carelessly. Oh no, I'm not hungry. You see, I don't eat luncheon. I have a cup of coffee in the morning and then dinner. But I never eat more than one thing for luncheon. I was speaking for you. She had so much and now she is saying she doesn't take anything for the luncheon. She just have a coffee and then directly dinner. And now she is saying this question she asked for the writer. As we have seen, he had only one dish, that was mutton chop, and now coffee. Okay. Oh, I see. Then a terrible thing happened. अभी और एक कुछ तो भी चीज़ हो गई. क्या हुआ? While we were waiting for the coffee, the head waiter came up to us bearing a large basket full of huge peaches. Okay, वहाँ पे एक peaches की basket लेकर आया. But surely peaches were not in season then. Lord knew what they cost. I knew a little later, for my guest, going on with her conversation, absent-mindedly took one. You know what? See, these are peaches. You all know it's one of the very favorite fruit of many people. Many people eat it. Foreign के लोग ज़्यादा खाते हैं peaches. So one of full of the basket, the head waiter was carrying these peaches. Okay, it was not the season of peaches, it was off season. So he was just thinking in his mind कि my god, क्या पता नहीं क्या रेट होगा इसका, क्योंकि अभी सीज़न तो है नहीं, तो ये काफ़ी महंगे होंगे ऑब्वियसली, है ना. अभी हम लोग भी देखते हैं ना कि कभी एप्पल का सीज़न नहीं है तो एप्पल कितने महंगे हो जाते हैं. मैंगो अगर सीज़न में नहीं है तो इट बिकम्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. So these peaches were also very expensive. He was busy in talking and thinking, मतलब he was not paying attention, he was in his thoughts only. Who? The writer. By the time he was in his thought, she picked up one of the peach from that basket. उसने जब तक बातों बातों में एक पीच लेकर खाना भी शुरू कर दिया. किसने? गेस्ट ने. See, you can see in this picture, she started eating peach from the basket. Okay, and that time poet was absent-mindedly, मतलब उसका ध्यान नहीं था वहाँ पे. You see, you have filled your stomach with a lot of meat. My one miserable little job, and you can't eat any more. But I have just had a snack and I shall enjoy a peach. Now she's saying you don't eat because you had such a heavy lunch. I had only few things, just snacks. वो snacks था. Salmon, caviar, ice cream, coffee. It was only snacks. So I have a space in my stomach, so I will enjoy this peach. You will not. Who is saying this? The lady. The bill came. The bill came, and when I paid it, I found that I had only enough for a quite inadequate tip. Her eyes rested for an instant on the 3 francs I left for waiter. And I knew that she thought me mean. But when I walked out of the restaurant, I had the whole month before me and not a penny in my pocket. What happened? Finally, bill arrived. After salmon, after caviar, after peaches, coffee, ice cream, finally, bill came. And yes, how and any he managed to pay the bill. And after paying the bill, he was worried how to keep the टिप फॉर द वेटर. हमको पता है ना रेस्टोरेंट में वेटर के लिए टिप रखनी पड़ती है. ही हैड हार्डली 3 francs with him which he kept as a tip for the waiter. And when he was keeping those 3 francs for the waiter's tip, she was continuously looking at him. एंड उसको ऐसा लगता है कि वो सोच रही होगी कि कितना मीन है, कि या फिर कितना कंजूस है कि इतने कम पैसे टिप में रख रहा है. बट ही डिड नॉट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. When he walked out of the restaurant, he had 1 month ahead for him. पूरा 1 महीना था and he did not have a single penny in his pocket. मतलब बोलते हैं ना हमारे जेब में एक फुटी कौड़ी नहीं, ऐसा उसका हाल हो गया था आफ्टर दैट ग्रैंड लंचन यू कैन से. ठीक है. नाउ दे आर गोइंग नाउ. अभी हो गया सब, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, जैसे सी ऑफ कर रहे हैं वो लोग. फॉलो माई एग्जाम्पल, शी सेड, एज वी शुक हैंड्स एंड नेवर ईट मोर देन 1 thing फॉर लंचन. वाइल गोइंग शी इज सजेस्टिंग कि मेरी जैसी एग्जाम्पल फॉलो करो, एक ही चीज़ खाया करो. आई विल डू बेटर देन दैट. इन अ फनी वे, इन अ एंग्री वे, द राइटर सेड आई विल डू बेटर देन दैट. मैं उससे भी अच्छा करूँगा. आई रिटॉर्टेड मीन्स क्विकली आंसर इन अ एंग्री वे. I'll eat nothing for the dinner tonight. गुस्से में आके उसने कहा I'll do better than that. I retorted, I will eat nothing for tonight dinner for I will eat nothing for dinner tonight. मैं आज रात में कुछ खाऊंगा ही नहीं. But she took it in a funny way. और वो हंसने लगी. Humorist. She cried gaily, jumping into the cab. You're quite a humorist. मतलब अरे तुम तो बहुत फनी हो, ऐसे बोल के वो कैब में बैठकर चली गई. टैक्सी में बैठकर चली गई. Okay, but I have had my revenge at last. मुझे मेरा बदला मिला. चुत्ता हो मतलब बदला पूरा हो गया लास्ट में. I do not believe that I am a vindictive man. Vindictive man ऐसा आदमी जो बदला लेने में विश्वास रखता हो. I was not like that. Okay. Man, but when the god take a hand in the matter, it is understandable to observe the result with satisfaction. मतलब जब गॉड इसमें हाथ डालता है तो ऑब्वियसली रिजल्ट और सेटिस्फैक्शन होता ही है. ऐसा क्या हुआ? टुडे शी वेट. सी व्हेन दे मेट आफ्टर 20 years, शी वॉज लाइक दिस. शी वेज 21 stone. 1 stone equals to 6.35 kg. Just imagine 20 stones means how much? More than 100. Means she became so fat. और वो बोल रहा है कि मेरा बदला पूरा हो गया क्योंकि मैं तो फिट, आई एम स्टिल फिट एंड फाइन, एंड दैट लेडी इज वेरी फैट एंड शी इज नॉट लुकिंग गुड एट ऑल. शी इज लुकिंग फैट, शेपलेस. आफ्टर 20 years. दैट्स वाई ही वॉज अनेबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज हर, है ना. इन द बिगनिंग वो पहचान ही नहीं पा रहा था कि ये लड़की कौन है. तो उसको एंड में लगा ही कि हाँ अभी ऐसे खाओगी तो ऐसे ही होगी ना. ओके, सो इट्स अ वेरी फनी एंड ह्यूमरस लेसन. ऐसी थी फिर ऐसी हो गई, फिर उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. आई होप यू ऑल लाइक्ड इट, है ना. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. God bless you. Take care. Take precautions. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.